Okay, now let's start the fun part. We are modeling. Go back to your reference level and go to your Create tab, Extrusion. Once you select Extrusion, it comes with Extrusion Start, Extrusion End. The start is 0 from your work plane, which is level, reference level. So it's 0 from ground. Let's select the rectangle. And once we draw, it's gonna highlight the option to lock. So we are locking to this reference plane, this one, this and that. So if you click here, intersection, click, intersection, click, and then the options. Okay, we are locking, locking, lock, lock, finish. So this is our first extrusion. And now we are doing the other leg. Create extrusion, rectangle, intersection, click, click again, lock, and finish. Legs are done. So the shapes in plan are already connected to the parameters. Now we are gonna do the same for the elevation. If you go to your front view, starting from 0, and it goes to this set elevation. We are fine to start from 0 because it's not gonna be floating, but we are changing the elevation. And the feet go straight to the lower face of the seat. So now we are using Align, which is this tool. Align in your Modify tab, or you just type AL, AL, click on the reference plane, then click on the top face and lock. Let's do the same on the other side. Select the reference plane and then one click on the top face and lock. Okay, so now legs are done. Now we are doing exactly the same for the support and the seat. Reference level, Create tab, Extrusion, rectangle. So your support is gonna be here between the legs. Let's constrain, finish. Go to your front elevation. This is your support. I'll just put this as shade so you can see better what's happening. And then Align to AL, align to top, lock, align to the bottom, lock. Okay. Now the same for the seat. Create, extrusion, rectangle. This is the seat. Intersection, one click, lock, 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 finish. And now we go back to the front elevation and we can align AL, top, click, lock, the bottom, click, lock. Okay.